Hi friends, it's me, Silly Miss Lily, and Cotton Socks, and I'm so excited to play with you today. Look, we have so many different paints, and we have so many monster trucks. Let's play together and we'll paint with our monster trucks and then give them a nice car wash. It's gonna be so much fun, come on. Oh wow, there's so many colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Whoa, we got so many trucks. Who's ready to paint?
Me, says the trucks.
All right, let's do it. Whoa, let's go in the red. And let's paint. Whoa, look at the red tracks. Into the car wash.
I want to do the green.
Into the car wash. Splash.
Where are you going, dump truck? Hey, silly dump truck. Woohoo! Who's next? Ooh. There.
I
Do the blue.
Into the car wash.
Oh, I want to try yellow.
Yellow. Into the car wash. Oh, let's go into purple. Into the car wash.
I'll try orange.
Into the car wash. How about blue again? Blue. Into the car wash. Red. And into the car wash. Let's wash them.
You drive, and then you drive on here. And then you can drive them into the car wash. Whoa!
Yeah, out and red. Not everyone down up here. Up you go.
Wow! colors Mater's got on it. We got purple, orange, brown. I'm gonna get all the colors of the rainbow.
I got the color I'm in.
Good job, bud.
I got my green. It's like me, yellow, and then orange, and then red.
A little bit of blue, a little bit of purple. Sploosh.
Let's see what we've got. Wash, wash, wash. Oh, whoa, Mater truck. Wash, wash. Wash, wash. Oh, cool green truck. I'm all clean. Thank you. Oh, cool red truck. Thanks for washing me, friends. Oh, look, it's Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen monster truck. Whoa, great painting.
Who's next? Woohoo!
Whoa, great white monster truck. Wash, wash. Whoa, we got a blue monster truck. Whoa, we got them all clean. Whoa, they all look so clean. Great job, friends.
Whoa!
And drop. Okay, cars coming out.
Whoa, big car wash.
Red, 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 red. And red, 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 red.
Sploosh. Oh, I'm loving the flower stamps. That is cool.
That's
I get ready for the car wash? Sploosh.
red, 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 yellow, red, green, red,
Sploosh.
I'll dip it in red. Put some on. Then, next, put some yellow on. Next, I'll add green.
Hey, Stevie. This looks beautiful, guys. Great job. Oh, as you done car wash, sis, you done cool
A
flowers.
little dab of orange. You need every single go color. Some blue and a dab of green. And then look what I have. Look.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for playing with me and all of our monster trucks and our paint colors and even doing a really fun car wash. I love playing with you and I love spending time with you. And I'm really proud of you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily and Cotton Socks. And we'll see you then. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hop hop. Vroom vroom vroom.